The First Lady of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, who was represented by the Vice President's wife, Nana Shettima, has reaffirmed the federal government's commitment to empowering women farmers and strengthening food security in the country. She gave the assurance at the graduation and empowerment ceremony of women farmers under the National Workshop on Agro-Value Chain Capacity Building for Women Farmers in Abuja. The First Lady commended the Minister of Women Affairs, Imaan Sulaiman Ibrahim, for championing the initiative to empower women farmers. She noted that equipping women farmers with knowledge, skills, and access to modern agricultural practices can significantly increase food production, improve household nutrition, and boost the local economy. The workshop aligns with President Bola Tinubu's renewed hope agenda, particularly the drive to boost agriculture and achieve food security. Minister of Women Affairs Imaan Sulaiman Ibrahim emphasized the centrality of women to Nigeria's agricultural transformation. She highlighted the need to address systemic barriers such as limited access to land rights and agricultural credit faced by women farmers.